Today we've got this PS5 in, apparently it overheats. So I'm going to take it apart, see what's going on inside. It's a bit grubby, but say, nothing major. Saying that though, that is... Yeah, that's a bit nasty. Right, take this top. Yeah, it's pretty manky in here, look, so we'll get all this cleaned out. Well, that's a goop off the APU taken off. They get like a coating of oxidised stuff on them, so clean it up and then reapply the liquid metal. It should be much better now. Right, so that's the power supply and stuff cleaned up. Heatsink, it's all looking like new. It's all cleaned up so that the APU can kind of, the liquid metal on that can make a better contact with the heatsink. Looking better now. There we go. Sparkly clean. Better than it was when we came. There we go. All back together, all cleaned up. I'm working. Job done.